Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel. Today friends, we are going to talk about guys Redmi phone Bluetooth setting. In this video friends, we will talk about guys how can we pair our Bluetooth headphone with our phone. Guys, you want to pair your Bluetooth headphones, so friends you can pair easily. And friends, now let's see how to pair Bluetooth headphone in our Redmi phone. Today I will show you in this video. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys. Click the bell icon, like my video. First of all guys, open your phone setting and guys turn on your headphones. So I have one already, so I turn on your headphones to pair. Then guys scroll phone Bluetooth setting guys, tap here. Guys, you will have to enable your phone Bluetooth with refresh setting guys. Friends, you can see your headphone name. So guys, click on your headphone name. Then guys, you can see pair guys is notification. So guys, tap here to pair. Then guys, it will pair with your phone. And guys, you can see means connected. Then guys, pair. You can see this icon. Then guys, now you can use guys your Bluetooth headphone guys while watching movies, listening song, whatever you want to use guys. You can use with your headphone guys. You can use your Bluetooth headphone. So that's it guys. Thanks for watching the video guys. We will meet on next video. Bye friends.